How to add markers on timeline in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added some media to my timeline. Move the playhead to where you want to add a marker, and click on the marker button to add a marker. Now double-click on the marker icon, set its name, description, and keywords, and change its color. Now if I move the playhead above this marker, we can see the note we added in the viewer. Now let's create a marker with duration. Add another marker. This time, hold down the Alt key and click and drag from one side of the marker to add duration to it. Double-click on it, and change its properties. This type of markers has a start time and duration. To navigate between markers, open up the Index panel and click on the Markers tab. Here we can see the properties of each marker. Just click on any of them to move the playhead to the marker position. Another way to navigate between markers is to hold down the Shift key and press up and down arrows. To delete a marker, just click on it and press the Delete key. To delete all the markers, right-click on one of them and select Remove All Markers. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.